So in today's video I'll be sharing 3 very easy, no fire, no cooking, yummy, tasty and delicious sweet recipes that can be made just under 15 minutes, and out of these 3, 2 are very special recipe for kids or for someone who loves some very easy peasy recipes. And especially in today's world when we have lots of adulteration everywhere, why not try these easy peasy recipes, as these are very tasty and literally will be made in minutes. Be it any festive season or just for fun, do try these recipes. You will be in love with the flavors. And not to mention, this whole packet of yummy homemade biscuits was just finished 15 minutes. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page. Do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with the first recipe. My first recipe is Kids Special Chocolate Truffle Balls. Not the regular way, but we are going to make this yummy recipe with some Oreo biscuits. Everybody's favorite, everybody's know the taste. So now I have just nicely ground this Oreo biscuits finely, super fine. That's around 200 grams of Oreo biscuits or 3 packs of biscuits, and to this I will be adding yummy delicious chocolate syrup around 3 to 4 tablespoons for 200 grams. 3 to 4 tablespoons will be enough. So this goes here, and to this I will first mix for around 3 to 4 seconds, and then I will be adding milk at room temperature. It's already boiled milk around 4 tablespoons, so that we can bind this to a nice dough. This literally binds in seconds. Do try this, and as we have added milk, this will give this dough a nice moist texture and flavor. If you want, you can adjust milk accordingly. You can, if you want, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons more, because as we make dough, this will absorb the milk, and you can see the finish, it's super smooth. And to make it more appetizing and attracting, I have added some Choco Chips. You can also melt some chocolate and dip these balls inside this chocolate, but these are again more efficient, and at least I have mentioned earlier, this saves literally some time. So as my easy peasy recipes, first recipe is done here. You can see I have made beautiful round smooth delicious chocolate truffle balls, and as I have given you option, you can either dip them in molten chocolate or you can go my way and just decorate with some sprinklers or choco chips. That's it. My delicious chocolate truffle balls is ready. Do try this recipe. You will be in love with the flavor, especially if you have some kids around you. They will be a fan of your recipes. And just make sure these sweets or laddoos should be moist. That's it. My second recipe on the list is strawberry coconut laddu. For this I am using here again the shortcut way, that's the desiccated coconut 2 cups. These are pre-prepared. We just need to use them, and to this I will be adding around 1/3 cup of condensed milk. Condensed milk gives a very nice flavor, and for the strawberry flavor you can either add the crush or syrup, again it's your wish, but I am not using any artificial color and would recommend you also not to use it. So these I will mix it, the strawberry crush and the condensed milk with the desiccated coconut gives a very nice flavor. And to just add to this drink, I will just take out around 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and this has nicely been binded, you can see. And I have taken here some dry fruits. I have nicely sliced them. Here are some almonds, some cashews and some pistas. This I will mix with the 1 tablespoon of mixture that I had taken out. To this I will be adding some more strawberry syrup, so that this can be nicely binded to small balls. Basically what we will do, we will stuff this with the mixture or with the dough that we had prepared. So for me they were around 6 to 7. So simultaneously I will prepare 6 to 7 large dough balls and then flatten it using my hands and stuff this inside in this way. Beautifully done, you can see here. I'll nicely seal it and it will happen in instantly because the dough is nice and moist. It's done, and again as I said, this will take shapes literally in minutes. And now to give the final touches, I'll just roll it in some desiccated dry desiccated coconut powder to give the beautiful look. You can see here how beautiful it's looking. No artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors, and you can also replace the strawberry syrup with some crush. That again adds to the zing, and very easy, very delicious strawberry coconut laddoos are ready. See how beautiful these are looking. I have garnished it with some rose petals, and believe me, these are super moist, packed and loaded with dry fruits. Do enjoy this recipe. My third recipe is instant stuffed peda. So peda is basically made from reduced milk. For again, as I am, this recipe are no gas and no fat cooking. So in a blender I have taken some cashew nuts, some almonds. I'll nicely grind them to a fine powder. To this blender I will be adding desiccated coconut, again 1 cup, half a cup of milk powder, powdered sugar 1/4 cup, and some green cardamom powder. If you do not have powdered sugar, at this stage you can add the regular sugar and whole pots of green cardamom. Some milk I have added just to bind the mixture, very little, and then I have added 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee, and then I have nicely blended them. This basically comes around beautifully to a smooth, soft and moist dough. The cashew nuts will release its fat, and the almonds, they give a very nice texture. So same here, but this in this sweet I will just add little bit more amount of chopped dry fruits, and to bind this I will be adding 1 teaspoon of the dough and 2 tablespoons of some saffron milk. Saffron milk gives a very nice flavor to this sweet. A little pinch of clarified butter I will be using, and then I will make small round stuffing balls out of this mixture. So again these are little bit large because I will just made 4 out of this, and out of this dough ball I will be again making 4 little bit large size dough balls because I will cut this sweet. So I will rub some clarified butter or ghee, and in the same way I will just roll them to a smooth round ball and then flatten it. You can see how nicely I am working on this dough because it's very smooth because of the fat, natural fat that's of almond and cashews. So this is done. I'll stuff it, and then I'll just add some silver foil. I had kept the laddoos in fridge for around 1 to 2 hours so that they are nicely set, and then I'll cut it in this way, and these are ready to be served. That's why we had made this laddoo a little bit larger in size, and then I'll sprinkle the saffron induced milk, and see how beautiful they are looking. Organic, healthy, homemade, 3 beautiful, no fire, no gas desserts that can be literally made in minutes. Just the last one, we need to keep it in fridge for around 1 hour so that the dough settles down. So do try this recipe, be it festive season or just in a mood to have something healthy in a quick way. If you have loved my work, do not forget to subscribe to my page and share with your family and friends. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.